Husqvarna saw chains bring out the best in your Husqvarna chainsaw. A well-functioning combination is crucial to provide the efficiency needed to take on cutting challenges. For a perfect fit, Husqvarna chains are developed and manufactured in our own factory, where they are pre-stretched. This allows you to work longer before the chain needs retensioning, significantly reducing the risk of damaging the cutting system with a slack saw chain. Tests comparing the Husqvarna X-CUT chain and another brand chain without the pre-stretch feature clearly shows the advantage. The pre-stretch properties of our chains is but one of the many details that showcase the strong focus on quality associated with Husqvarna products.